Hello everyone, I'm Scott Aubrey with Aubrey Law, and I'm very excited to be here with you today. And today I'm going to talk about how your backup agent for your durable power of attorney can take over. But before we get started, if you have any questions about what I talk about today, if you have any questions about estate planning in general, or if you want to get started to creating your own estate plan, then you can go to estateplanmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me for free, either on the phone or in person. Again, that's estateplanmeeting.com. Go to that website, pick a time that works best for you, and we'll talk on that day about any questions or concerns you have regarding estate planning. So today's topic is, how does my backup power of attorney take over? So one of the foundational estate plan documents is a power of attorney. These come in two different forms. One, you can have a financial power of attorney, and that agent will be able to make financial decisions on your behalf if you're unable to do so. You also can have a medical power of attorney, which is commonly referred to as a healthcare proxy. In that situation, is that agent will make medical decisions on your behalf if you're unable to do so for yourself. So when I create these documents, I try to use the rule of three, in that you want to have your initial agent, and then you probably also want to have two backups just in case something were to happen to your initial agents. You want to make sure that you have backups to take in their place, because if not, it's much more difficult for that person to get appointed to be your agent. So they would have to go to court, and the court would get involved, and that can take a long time. And if it's something that needs to be done quickly, that may not actually be the case if you have to go to court. So it's always a good idea to name an initial agent and then also two backups. So what happens if the situation is that you have your initial agent, but when the time comes for that person to step into your shoes to help you with to make financial decisions on your behalf or make medical decisions on your behalf, if they no longer are able to do it or don't want to do it, what happens next? So what that agent needs to do is they need to write a letter saying that they're unable to fulfill their position, or they're unwilling to do so. Therefore, they're stepping down as your agent. They want to have that letter. That letter needs to be signed. And if you're able to have it notarized, that's even better, because you want to make sure there's no one questions the validity of that letter. So having it notarized is definitely a great idea. So in that situation, the agent will write a letter saying they're unable to serve as your agent, and then they're stepping down. And then at that point, if your power of attorney names a successor, then that person who next in line will step up, and then they'll be able to act as your agent. So that's kind of the way that happens. It's really important to make sure that you have successor agents beyond your initial agent, as I said before, because without those people being named, someone would have to go to court to be named their agent, or to be a guardianship. It's a lot more difficult process. Whereas if you had someone named, that next person can just step in, and things can keep moving forward as you need. So that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to hear more from me, you can subscribe to my channel. If you know someone that could benefit from seeing my video, please share that with them. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave a comment in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer it. And again, if you want to get started with your estate plan, if you have questions about estate planning, or if you want to talk about what I talked about today, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me for free, either in person or by the phone. Again, estateplanmeeting.com to schedule a free consultation with me. So once again, I am Scott Aubrey. I'm the owner of Aubrey Law, and I will talk to you soon.